Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to get the Harvest Division 2 step by step. Start by opening the map and marking the Harvest Field mission, then travel to the site and accept the encounter immediately. Group up with 2 or 3 players to balance DPS and support roles, and assign one player to defend the extractor, while others clear nearby spawns and secure harvest keys. Begin each run by scouting the surrounding area for patrols and loot caches to minimize surprises during the encounter. Focus on fast, repeatable routes that yield harvest keys and caches without wasting time on elite fights. Communicate simple callouts, prioritize extractor safety over kills, and reset quickly after each successful extraction to maximize key intake and reduce downtime between runs. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support the channel. Quick recommendation: read anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's great for keeping game tips and walkthroughs handy on the couch or commute. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want one, and grab yours easily to read more guides comfortably. Now let's get back to the video. Optimize your build around control and survivability rather than pure glass DPS for harvest runs. Choose weapons that cover both distances and bring utility talents that boost team sustain and crowd suppression. Swap to ammo types and mods that counter the most common enemy armor, and rehearse extractor defense positions so every player knows where to fall back while keys are being delivered.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.